Hello guys, this is Danny McElroy here. Today I'm going to be doing a vacuum comparison test. The vacuums that we have today I'll be comparing will be the Hoover Dirt Finder Elite versus the Hoover Breathe Easy Elite. As you see, here they all are. I just want to say thank you to Cameron Snow, if I'm saying your name correctly, for the request, and we'll get to it. I don't have any testing dirt on my carpet here. I'm just going to use it without. Just use it as is, and hope you guys enjoy the video. So first we're going to start with the Breathe Easy. That was the Breathe Easy. Now on to the Dirt Finder. Or the Dimension Dirt Finder, excuse me. Dimension Dirt Finder, excuse me. Anyways, here we go. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.